So hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you are watching it on Instagram, then welcome back to you also on Instagram. So guys, here in this video we are going to tell you that how much digital marketing is important for your business and what is its potential. Okay, what is its potential for your business? So let's say we take an example for dentists, and we will take more examples also in this video. So what happens, people search on internet whenever they need any service. Okay, people need whenever they need any service, they search on Google, and those results which come in front of them, and they go to those results. Okay, so let's say you are a dentist, and you want to know how many people search about your business. Okay, so let's say we will type dentists near me. Whenever someone wants any dentist near them, so they will type this. Okay, and we will enter get results. So this is the tool from Google Keyword Planner, which will give you the exact number of searches that people search on internet monthly, on a monthly basis. Means exact means this gives you an approximate answer. Okay, so it is searching in India. You can see this arrow in India. Okay, dentist near me. So in India total 100k to 1 million searches are there. Means 1 lakh से 10 लाख searches हैं. ठीक है, dentist near. But let's say you want to see how many people search in your own area. Let's say in Delhi. Okay, Delhi, we will target Delhi, and we will search in Delhi. How many people search dentist near me in Delhi? So see here, dentist near me in Delhi, people search around 1k to 10k. Okay, and here are more examples. Dental clinic near me 100 to 1k. Okay, emergency dentist near me 10 to 100. So like this, people search on internet. So 1k to 10k are potential clients, dentist potential clients, which you can get if you are visible on internet, if you are visible on these results. So let me show you the results. So whenever someone types dentist near me, so they will get some results, and results are here. You will get some ads. So if you are running ads, you can come on the top of the Google page number 1. Okay, look how many people are running ads, because they know the potential of advertising. They know that people will come to their pages, their website after seeing the ad. Here someone is running Google My Business ad. Okay, so look here. Now people will go to these websites. Firstly, they will go to these websites: studio.32 India. Okay, best dentist in Goa, dental clinic near me. So they will get to these clients. Okay, these people who are running their ads firstly, and after that they will go to this Practo, Just Dial. Okay, so Denti. So they are coming on the first page of the Google. So they will get all the traffic. They will get all these 1,000 to 1 lakh to 10 lakh, or 1,000 to 10,000 people who can be your potential clients, but you are losing them because you are not using digital marketing. You are not visible on internet. Okay, and let me show you. You will see marketing or ads on Google, Facebook ads also. Facebook ads also, you can run ads on Facebook also for your business. So let's say dental clinic. So this will show you, this is the Facebook ads library. This will show you all the ads that people are running with the name of dental clinic. Okay, so here they are not showing you, because this can be something related to dental hygiene or dental videos. So now here you can see. Okay, so these are dentists who are running their ads. Okay, running their ads. This is for teeth whitening, checkup and cleaning your teeth. We care about your teeth. Okay, so everyone is using Facebook ads, Google ads for their marketing. Now if you don't want to market yourself, but then what you have to do, you have to create your website. You have to have your website, and you have to just do SEO. When you will do SEO, your website will rank like this. Okay, Liberate, Denti, like this. You can rank on these on Google's first page, and if you are not able to and if you need fast results, because SEO takes time, then what you can do, you can run simply, you can run ads, and people who are interested, who are searching for dentist, they will directly come to your page, this page, and they will click on ads. Okay, they will click on these ads and they will reach to you. So this is how you can use digital marketing in an effective way. You can either go with SEO, okay, and or you can just go with ads, and both the things will work very effectively. Okay, now let's say you are a gym owner, okay, you are a gym owner and you want your gym to be to come in front of people. So let's say gym near me. Okay, this is what people search on internet if they need any gym. So you can see ad, okay, AD, it's written ad. So this is someone who is running ad, membership rupees 23 per month, 300 per month. So people will go to him, okay, because he is visible. Whenever I am searching gym, whenever someone will search gym, so they will come to this place, this person. And let me show you how many results, how many searches are there for gym. Gym near, what am I writing? Near me. You can see here. Okay, in Delhi I am showing you in Delhi, gym near me 1K to 10K. Okay, 1000 से 10,000 लोग सर्च करते हैं. Okay, 1K to 10K searches are there for gym near me monthly in Delhi. Now results are, these are like results. Okay, these are results. Fitness for all ages, membership 2300, and we can have ads here also. Okay, so you can have, if you have a good Google My Business SEO, then you can come on the top of the page. Okay, so you have to keep in mind that if you are not using digital marketing, then you are losing on a lot of people, a lot of clients. Okay, so you need to do digital marketing for your business if you want to grow it in a faster way. Okay, you can see results in Facebook ads also. So Facebook, you can run Facebook ads also for your gym. So let's say gym. So look, here people are running ads for their gyms. Okay, locate next to Science City. Okay, in India, the Wellness Club Gym Nagpur. Okay, so you can see a lot of gym ads here, and you can run ads. Look at this. Okay, so you can also run ads for your business if you want some clients fast. And I have also been doing digital marketing for my own, for my other business, that is Taekwondo centers, dance centers, and I have been able to get 80 clients, 80 admissions in just 3 months for dance training and Taekwondo training. Okay, so you can also do digital marketing for your business also. You can use ads, you can use SEO, you can use content marketing, and a lot of strategies are there. But the best thing is, if you want fast results, you can use ads. If you want results but long-term results, then you can use SEO. If you want to create a brand, then you can use social media and post right content on social media, create a following of a good community, of a good audience, and you can easily then sell your services, products easily. Okay, but in starting you have to invest, you have to start things, if you have to promote yourself, you have to work on your website, SEO and everything. Then after some time you will get some amazing results. And if you want fast results, then you can use paid ads, paid marketing. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I will be creating more videos like this, and I will be creating how to do these things by yourself also. But the best way is to hire someone expert, because in starting you cannot do everything in the best way. So hire someone else, hire some expert people, okay, and you can work with them and they will get the best results for you. Thank you so much guys, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you, bye bye, take care.